Imagine the freedom of flight, untethered and unbound. Welcome to the future with autonomous UAVs for long-range FPV and Waypoint missions. These lightweight drones are changing the game, from the sports field to the wilderness. Picture this, a drone, weighing less than a paperback book, soaring over mountains, rivers and forests. It's capable of flying for hours on end, capturing stunning visuals that were once out of reach. Thanks to advanced Waypoint technology, these drones can follow a preset route with pinpoint precision. And with first-person view capabilities, you're transported to the skies, witnessing the world from a bird's-eye view. No terrain is too tough, no distance too great. Autonomous, lightweight, long-range, the future of exploration is here and it's flying high above us. So, why not take to the skies and discover what's out there? Join us in the next 60 seconds as we dive deeper into the world of autonomous UAVs. Don't blink, you might miss the future flying by.